Hi guys, it's your girl Justena Elise, and today we are going to do a wash and go, a new product by the Doux. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. If you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. Comment down below and let me know, have you tried the Doux, the Big Poppa Doux? And let's just get into this video. So today we are gonna use the Doux Defining Gel. It's called Big Poppa, and it says it's popping curls and definition. So this is how the packaging looks. I am so excited to use this because, as y'all know, I've used the mousse, and I love the mousse for twist out and a wash and go. Y'all haven't seen that video, either of those videos, I put it in the eye above, and I love the mousse. Never used any other product in their line, but today we are going to use the Defining Gel to do a wash and go right quick. And I'm like right quick, but I have somewhere to go. I'm on my way to go somewhere, but I need to do my hair, so we gonna do our hair, guys. So today for our leave-in, we are gonna do you're gonna use some of our Carol's Daughter that we used the last video. Here, it's the Hair Milk Original Leave-In. I did the mix test and it was all good. So we shouldn't have any flaking or anything. Our hair should come out bomb. So let's go ahead and section off my hair. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned, and it just feels so good right now. So good. It's so soft. But let me go ahead and section off my hair. If you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. Comment down below and let me know, have you used the Big Poppa? So this is the gel that we're going to be using today. It kind of got like a gelatin consistency, and it is a medium to a thick consistency as well. I'm gonna go ahead and start off on this back section. I've already applied all my leave-in of the Carol's Daughter, and I'm gonna take about probably a dime size, but I'm gonna end up putting more, y'all, of gel, and start off by just applying it to that entire section and kind of smoothing it in. This gel does a very, very good job of smoothing in, not being too thick or too thin where I don't even like feel the product. That little dime size definitely did give my curls some definition, as y'all can see here. But I am going to go ahead and section my hair into smaller sections so we can get this gel all up in there and make our curls pop. The gel actually has a very, very great fragrance to it. It's not overpowering. Like, I didn't smell it after the fact, and it does a bomb job of giving me amazing curls. Now, as y'all know, my back section of hair, I always have to like separate the curls, and that is definitely what I had to do here. I kind of use like the combing method to kind of help me separate the curls, but it ended up all working out. So my hair came out amazing when the curls finally did come out. And even when I sectioned, I got the big section overall and then like clipped that section back, just by letting the gel like sit on my hair a little bit, it allowed my hair to curl up even better, just by letting it sit and like kind of do its little magic thing into my curls. So this is how my curls look. Yeah, there is like product that you see, but you won't see it at the end of the, like once my hair dries and stuff, you won't see that at all. But my curls look so amazing, so curly. In addition, like this gel definitely made my hair feel shiny. Like it did a really, really good job of allowing my hair to look shiny. And I give it thumbs up for that because a lot of gels, like y'all see at the end how shiny my hair is. But even here, you can see my hair is shiny even though I have product on it. But a lot of gels, sometimes it just does not leave your hair shiny. It just does not. It makes it look dull and dry and just like crusty. Not this gel. Like it does an amazing job of allowing my curls to pop out and my hair looks shiny. But one thing it doesn't do is eliminate the frizz. So as y'all can see here, the curls that I've already done, there is a decent amount of frizz left. Like I said, it's a medium consistent gel. It's not super thin, but it's not super thick. So you will have a little frizz. If you're looking for a gel that's going to give you like a cast or anything like that and eliminate all the frizz, this product does not necessarily like do that for you. But it does allow your hair to be shiny and not dull. It curls almost every curl that you have in your hair. Yeah, you might have to do a little manipulating, but it does an amazing job of curling every curl in your hair. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch me apply this to my hair and see my amazing curls come out. I just love how it did my hair. So I'll check back with y'all when I come back at the end. And yeah. All right, guys. So I am at the top section of my hair, almost done. And as y'all see, the mixture of the product is giving like white product on my hair. But like I said before, it's totally gonna absorb. So we have nothing to worry about. But as y'all see, literally almost all of my curls are pretty much curled. But there is like a smidge of frizz. There is some frizz, definitely. So expect that when you are using this product, unless you combined it. I know some people combine two gels into one, like on their hair, so they can have a longer hold. This this gel might not necessarily do that for you, give you like a super long hold. But one thing I can tell you is that this gel is moisturizing. It leaves your hair soft. It does not leave your hair with a crunch, which I enjoy because usually when I get a crunch, even when I apply oil to my hair, it's just, there's usually flaking. But with this product, I didn't have that problem. So as y'all see here, I did stretch my hair with some satin scrunchies to help elongate my curls, making sure I get the maximum amount of length that I wanted. So yeah, so I use some satin scrunchies to stretch my hair. This is usually how I stretch my hair throughout my wash and goes, unless I forget to put the scrunchies on. Then I just usually put them in a puff. But this is how my hair is looking. I didn't really, it was kind of short on me. Yeah, I did recently like cut my hair or like trim my hair, but yeah, also the product was like pretty sticky. But since my hair kind of looked kind of short, I did decide to pick my roots to give me like a little bit more volume and stuff like that. But overall, these are my like final reviews of this product. So for one, it does leave your hair soft. It doesn't leave a cast, and it leaves your hair super moisturized and gives you great definition. But the cons of this is that there's like a little product that comes off as you touch your hair. It leaves your fingers sticky, and it is not really that long lasting crunch. Like you can wear this for a week kind of product. So just keep that in mind when you are using this product. If you want a long lasting results, make sure that you maybe combine it or find a gel that will be a great combination for you to use with this product. So guys, if you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. And until next time, guys, remember that you're blessed. Bye, guys.